here you go. We were in the Fairmont Hot Spring. Yan. This is the view of the natural mineral hot spring. Right there. Oh, I guess that's the hot spring pool or mineral right there. Nice view. And here are the cottage. Here at the back, in my back or behind my, yan. Nice. And the other side, there's the high mountains there. Yeah. Nice.
May access lang yung mga...
Yan oh.
Hindi, may access lang yung mga...
Oo, kapag nandyan ka na,
sa bagay.
siguro maka-access ka na, right?
Oo, dito
Look at the top oh.
Dito lang na area.
May mga snow pa doon sa ano, sa bundok, doon sa ano oh.
Oo, makaka-access ka ditong area lang.
Oh, nice.
Nakalimutan ko yung GoPro, mamaya na lang.
Libutin nga natin dito. Tingnan natin, oo. Makita natin yung buong area. Pero I like that place. Look at that. Pag naka-hotel ka na, I guess kung naka-check-in ka dyan, ano na, you are allowed to go to the pool.
Oo. Baka si Purik ang bayad din niya. No? Pag pupunta ka ng pool.
We'll see.
Nakasulat dun eh.
We'll see.
May entrance. Hindi. Kahit naka-check-in ka dito.
Oh, tingnan mo, nakabakod oh.
Huh?
Nakabakod doon oh, hindi ka basta maka-access kasi kwan. Ay, ito, meron bang other pool here.
Pangit naman.
Oh.
Para lang po sa mga naka-check-in.
Oh, siguro.
Kasi
yeah, there's another
siguro
one.
magbabayad ka dun eh.
Oh, yun ang entrance niya oh.
Saan?
Yan na.
Saan mga nakatirahan dito?
Nice. So this is the view.
Kasi magbabayad ka dun eh. Tara siya.
Entrance. So these are the other areas. Ayan oh, sunbathing oh. Ito sunbathing, yan. Maple tree, right? Oh yeah, that's a maple tree. Look at that. I guess this is the national tree of Canada. Maple. Yeah, that's right. So this is the maple tree, guys.
Ang puno, katulad yung sa amin, yung ornamental apple.
Itong ano?
Oh, yan, yung pula na yan.
Oh.
Yung cherry apple, yung
Yeah.
ornamental apple. Pero sa amin yan, nakita mo yung bulaklak, parehas. Pink na pink.
Alright, guys.
Ganda, no? Akalain mo
It's
sa
a
bahay,
nice place.
akalain mo sa bahay, puti tsaka pula. Ganda tingnan.
Ang ganda itong area na to. Not too bad. Kaya ito siguro dinadayo ito yung ano ng Fairmont Hot Spring. Ito mismo na. Ito na siya.
Ito talagang dinadayo niya. Hindi yung pinuntahan yung nakakatakot.
Very natural naman yun. Ito talaga man-made. Pero ikinonect lang doon sa ano. Ay.
Hot water, di ba?
Ha?
Next hot water.
So this is the price. Look at that.
Ayan, no? 17.
Yeah. So here you go.
Meron. Day pass naman yung iba.
Ayan. This is the price of the. Where's that? Oh. For adult 18 to 64, 17 bucks single entry. Youth, child free for 5 and under. Seniors 15, family adult 2, youth 55, extra 10, late night swim 8. So day pass. Oh, for day pass, oh. Oh, I see. Yeah, we can just come here and just day pass man, right? Just a day pass.
Single entry lang.
Oh, single entry.
Maliligo pa lang naman. Para mura-mura, 17 lang. Yung day pass na yan siguro.
Okay, we still explore the area. Yeah. Yep.
Nakalimutan ko ang GoPro ko naman. Ayoko mag-video ng cellphone.
Basta maayos lang yung kamay mo. Maayos naman. Oh, may footprints dito. Ganda. Wow. So this is the footbridge to cross in the other side. Oh. Ganda. So this is the, I don't know, it's like a falls but it's not. It's just a flowing water over there. There you go.
Kaya malamang may mainit na tubig talaga nung gagaling dito.
Oo.
Na sinasalo nila dyan.
Oh, mga RVs, mga ano na to,
Camping site.
mga
Camping
all year round na ito na ano.
round.
Oo, tingnan mo, oh, parang naka-permanent oh.
Hindi.
Oh,
Nakahook lang yan.
tingnan mo yung ano, I mean, what I am saying is, yung mga spot in between, tingnan mo dyan nila pinapako, di ba? Oh, yan na yung pinaka-parking nila, dyan na pinaka-bahay nila.
Oo, pero naka-hook lang yan.
Oo.
Eh, hindi ko na alam kung allowed ka rin magstay ng taon o ano.
Hindi, siguro ito mga months lang siguro to.
Ito, mga nag-camping lang yan.
Kasi magbayad lang sila, no problem. Unless na may limit para mabigyan naman ng chance yung di ba? O tingnan mo yung ano oh. Tingnan mo itong sasakyan na to, maliit lang man oh. Yan oh.
Oo.
This one oh.
Kaya naman ng...
Yan yung sa akin, kaya niya yan.
Oo, mga SUV kaya niya yung
Yan, kaya niya yan oh.
RV na malilit na ganyan.
Ito, mga truck talagang hihilan to.
Malaki yun.
O tingnan mo, meron ng sariling deck. Ay may sariling, ito na isang spot na to oh. May number.
Anong pangalan ng camping ano? Yung mas gusto ko i-drive yung buong unit, Sam. Alam mo yun?
Ah, yung ano,
Motorhome na class
motorhome.
B. Yung class B.
Na wala ka ng sasakyan na ano,
Oo.
diretso na, parang bus.
Parang bus.
Oo.
Hindi naman yung bus mismo kasi mahal ang bus mismo na itsura. Yung ganyan.
Alin?
Napakamahal yan. Class A yan eh.
Ay, ayan ba yung ano?
Class A yan. Yung parang mukhang bus.
Oo.
Pero yung motorhome na yung alam mo yung...
Oo, yung motor parang
Parang box lang.
parang
Tapos
box.
May
Oo.
sasakyan sa ulo. May ulo ng sakyan.
Yung parang tawag doon, alam mo yung ano, U-Haul.
Oo.
Parang U-Haul na, oo, alam ko na yon.
Mura-mura yun.
Oo, kompleto yon. May bed, may ref, lahat sa loob.
Kaya nga, mura-mura yung ganun. Kaya sa bus na ganun, mahal na.
Alright.
Maganda rin yun, mura-mura yan. Ano kaya
Oo.
tawag sa ano na to?
Ito Pavilion, laundry ano naman nila sa amenities nila, mga service nila.
Ang dami pang bakante oh.
Oo, may tubig, may lahat, may supply dito oh.
May connection yan.
May connection ng tubig supply. Oh, yan. Here you go, guys. Very nice place. So, I love the place. Here you go. Yan. There you go. Ha? These are the RVs. Yan, dito yung mga sinasabi ng RV. Yan. Oh, this is my
Si Bani, kita mo si Bani, may crack.
oh,
Balak talaga nila bumili ng RV.
oh, ito ang type ko, oh, maganda.
Gagawin niya panghatak yung crack.
May vehicle can do it, this one. Yan. Nice one. Because my SUV is semi truck. Kaya ito sasakyan ko na.
Kaya.
Oo. Yan yung ganyan kalaki, oh.
Ito kasing Cherokee, medyo mas malakas ang makina nito kasi sa'yo.
Yung mga ano to.
Maliit lang yan, pero ang makina niyan, mga 4.0.
Ay, 4 point something kaya ito?
Oo, malalaki ang makina niyan.
Yung sa akin kasi 3.6 eh.
0.5 mga Jeep.
Oo.
0.5 pa nga yan, ganyan na kami.
Oh. Look at this one. Oh, ito oh. Oh, may parating oh. Grabe oh. Bus. Yung may hinihila na sasakyan sa likod. Yan ang mga service na nila yan. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Oh, nice. Oh, diyan na magpark. Yan ang pinakabahay na nila for a while they still here, staying here. Oh. Yung maliit dun sa likod, yun ang service na nila. Pag lumalabas, yung bus na yan or that is a motorhome, ipapark na nila yan. Diyan na sila matulog, lahat-lahat. Nice. Oh, from Alberta. All right.
Yung motorhome kasi na buo,
Wala.
wala rin alisan.
Magrenta ka.
Magrenta ka.
Yan, we're going back where we came.
Magdala ka ng electric bike.
Mhm.
Gusto mo lang ano,
Kung gusto mong mamili ng kailangan mo ay
pwede naman sa bike.
kung malayo, unless na parang dyan lang malapit.
Oo, hindi. Pag may bike ka, ayos lang eh. May electric bike ka yun. Yun, maganda. Pwede mo ikarga sa loob ng motorhome mo. 2,000 lang ang presyo ng mga bike na yun.
Ay, nice. This place so cool. All right. Oh, these are the other cottage.
Ganda talaga. Mga matatanda. Ito yung mga sinatapon. So nga, ano, sa mga alagaan.
Hello.
Ay.
Going to the pool these days too?
Pardon me?
You're gonna go on the pool these days
Oh
too?
yeah, that's why we come here to check the pool.
Yes. Those are-
Yeah, are you check in here?
No.
No?
We're in this Fairmont Village.
Oh,
Manchester Village.
Fairmont Village, yeah.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
told the guy at the pool, that's why I bought the timeshare. So
Yeah.
you can come to see the pool.
Oh, okay, yeah. Nice. All right, see ya.
In the last few years, they couldn't even come
Yeah.
because they had it only for memberships.
Oh, membership. Oh, you make a membership
No,
here.
now they opened it up for public.
Oh, okay. Oh,
It's been
nice.
For a while, but it's just recent.
Yeah. Oh, just recently. Oh, nice.
Like 5 years ago, this was the most public visited pool in the world.
Wow. Really? Oh.
And over 600,000 people come here every year.
Grabe yung business ko. Lakas kumita.
Oo. Ha?
RV
Ayan.
sites.
Oh, this one. Right, there you go.
Pero ako nga. Kasi kung gusto mo magpabook, sometimes.
Oh, there you go. Fairmont Hot Spring Resort, natural hot pools. Nice. So that were the hot pool area where we came. That area there. Go down there. Yeah, from this parking. Nice.
Kung tutusin sa lugar na tinitirahan natin, quiet na rin. Halos wala kang tao. Visit, halos wala kang kapitbahay.
Tahimik na tahimik ka mo.
Hindi kayo nagpapansinan eh. Di ba?
Oh, this is the whole area of this resort. So this is the parking area. Those are the cottages. That there you go around there, and there's more behind the building. Yeah, the administration. Pag mga RVs, yan, diyan ka magano. Yep. Nice. Oh, nice, nice place. Oh, behind me, this is the another view. There you go. Hey, I'll show you the whole view, the 360 view of this area. There you go. There, that's my companion there. Kasama din ako dyan sa video, of course. Yan. Nice. Ito naman sa other side. There you go.
May COVID yung time na yun, hindi ka maliligo ah.
Oo.
Matatakot ka mahawa dyan.
Yan. Canada, US, British Columbia flags. It's right there. There you go.